Hi guys, it's an exciting day for me. It is new RC day today. Now I think Tamiya have a bit of a reputation for, as well as doing kind of normal cars, doing slightly fun, slightly bonkers stuff. Lunchboxes, pumpkins, Kongheads, wild willies and all that. And yeah, I think they're sticking with that theme at the moment. So this is a new body shell version of the Konghead that's just out recently, and it's quite exciting to see it. Here we go. King Yellow 6x6. Now I really like the look of the Konghead when I saw it in terms of the 6-wheel drive, something a bit different. I didn't really like the body shell. I'm not super keen on this body shell either, but I have an idea that I think will make it more palatable. So yeah, this is the first time I've seen this kit. Apparently it's quite an interesting build as well. It's kind of monarch shell full of lots of gears inside. So let's go see how it all looks. Lots of packaging, get rid of all that, sort it out later. So I've got stuff from Webb here that sorted me out. Hobbywing brushed waterproof ESC, two Savox servos. These are ones I think I used in my buggy, and they only plastic gears but good value, work really well. You know, plenty of oomph to them. I've also got to go with this. I've got a HPI receiver that I haven't used yet. I can put that in. I may put in the torque-tuned motor I took out of the buggy as well, give this a little bit more power. I think it has a bog standard 540 and this has a bit more beef. Before I actually delve in, I've also got the guys at Webb said to get a set of bearings for this was quite pricey, and they recommended me another company, which was pretty helpful. I really don't like the idea of bushing. It just seems wrong when I can get budget micro RCs with bearings already in. So yeah, got a set of bearings there to upgrade this. Some paint for my, going to go for like a kind of greyish sort of urban utility sort of shell for it. And I've got some ideas here. What's this, you see? Going to try and do a lighting rig, so that's going to be one of the main things I'm going to focus on. The whole idea with this build for me, apart from enjoying the build, is it's going to be not one I'm going to soup up a lot, not one I'm going to go for like kind of crazy speed runs in a budget kind of model. This is one I'm just going to be using for more like kind of crawling around rough terrain, going around parks and stuff. I want to be able to do it at night, and you know, it's not going to be super quick, so it should be safe to do so. So getting a lighting rig on will be part of that. So let's see what we've got in here. We've got all the usual plastic gubbins, wheels, a little bit shiny for what I want, but I think I might be able to do some weathering, tone those down. More plastic. One thing I like about this, it's got, you see on the picture, whoops, it's got an integral bumper at the front, which actually is a kind of cushion, spring cushion bumper, which I think could be quite suitable for some very elementary bashing with this. Some of the gears that go inside this kind of crazy gear. Oh well, now we're talking. Now we're talking gears. Yeah, definitely going to do a little bit of build video on this, only highlighting some of the more unusual setups of this model. This is the actual central kind of frame of the model that basically gets filled with these gears. Body post. All the nice metal stuff in here, springs, clips, screws, everything. Those horrible bushings, forget about those. Got a paint in there for that. And that body shell, it's kind of, it's a bigger than I thought. This is a 1/18 scale. longer than both the 10 scale buggy and the 12 scale Savage I've got, but that's okay. So, and all the wheels, all those delicious 6 wheels here, they look pretty nice and chunky. So yeah, like all of these kits, there's a hell of a lot of plastic sprues to deal with. It's going to be probably a reasonably long build, but I'm quite excited. I enjoyed the last build and I'm looking forward to this one. It's going to be hopefully pretty comprehensible, but slightly different in the way the whole kind of frame and gearing works. But I think I might start, because I've got plans for the body on this. I might actually start with the body, so I'm going to mask this, spray this, going to do my own, just want it kind of like quite a muted kind of pale grey. I don't really like the kind of the brightness. I want it to look a bit more kind of slightly maybe military, maybe slightly post-apocalypse. And once that's painted, I'm then going to put a lighting rig in here. So going with the box, it gives you plastic parts for the lights, so that should be easy enough to mount lights on there. And this has got plenty of space inside to fix kind of like lights here, tape all the wiring on here, wires coming down, plugged into the battery. So yeah, that should be quite cool to show. Alright, pack all this into some sort of order and get going.